Well, every once in a while, I get some harps in the shop for build out of a slider that are absolutely fabulous harps. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to share with you a Suzuki Fabulous 16-holer. These are pretty pricey. I haven't seen them before, but I'll give you the rundown on them. And you know, they're something else. I'll just play a little bit for you here. This is a Kettlewell Frictionless Mouthpiece Slider. That's what it's here for. And this makes articulation of new note hole positions easy, relaxed embouchure, and there's no saliva dripping into the harp, so it doesn't really get dirty. These are dead airtight from factory. They don't need any customization at all. Exquisite in play. Exquisite in the hand. Nothing bites, it's all smoothed and silver-plated brass comb, upscale reeds that are better than on Sirius. They respond so well. Beautiful fit and finish. The slide has been fit into this mouthpiece, and it does have a flat blank on top of the comb, but everything is machined absolutely perfectly. And these appear to be silver-plated covers. It's just an absolutely premium instrument. Each one's marked with a serial number here. And, you know, it's really about the only harp I've ever played that I'd say the high notes were perfect. Just so easy to hit. They really feel the same as the others. It is just so well and precisely made. And the parts fit correctly. So here is, and of course this is a leather case that it's just, you know, it's just an absolutely gorgeous instrument. And I'll tell you what, I'd play this all day long. Very, 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 very nice harmonica. I guess you could call that a customization, so it did get a slider, and I'd probably cut a Kettlewell Ergo button for this, but it's a great harp. And I thought you'd get a kick out of it. Suzuki Fabulous 16-holer. Wow.